Hi, Notion lover. It's great to see you again. Allow me to introduce my new book challenge template. This template is designed to help you reach your reading goals. Let's start by discussing the book I'm currently reading, The Great Gatsby. The due date timeline view will display the date range for completing the book, and the countdown percentage will reach 0 when the time is up. Don't forget to check the remaining days as well. In the chapter section, you can structure your reading resume. The page markers are a key section in this template. Divided into characters, quotes, vocabulary, and miscellaneous. Great, let's move on to the chapter I've just read. I'm going to add a new character I discovered in this chapter. First, enter the name. Second, choose the character's characteristics. Next, add an image cover, and optionally, include more details about the character. Go back to the main chapter, then switch to the quote view. Choose a tag and type the quote you discovered during your reading. Additionally, include the author of the quote. Well done. Now, use the vocabulary feature to document the words you've learned. For better retention, investigate their etymology and definitions in the dictionary to strengthen your memory. The last category is miscellaneous, which includes different tags such as culture references, locations, nature, and more. Inside the page marker, include an image cover. And if you wish, add more details about this reference. Awesome! I found all these references in this chapter that I never knew about. After that, I'll include the chapter summary to enhance my memory with the key points. To conclude the chapter, update the status to Done, assign a rating to the chapter, and choose the themes that correspond to the chapter's content. Well done. I'll organize the roles of the characters a little bit. Let's continue with the book tracker to record my reading progress. As you can see, the progress bar indicates that I'm falling behind in my reading. Now add a page to register today's progress. I'll begin by entering the current page where I stopped reading. Following that, I document the time spent during my reading session. You have the option to use the predefined buttons or manually enter the time spent in the properties. Awesome, let's check the streaks. Yesterday, I started a new streak. Today, to keep the streak going, just click the Reading Rate button. If you want to start a new streak, select the other option. In this case, press Continue. It will also display your statistics. Great, I have 2 streaks. I read 15 pages in 30 minutes, achieving a reading rate of 50%. The progress bar has been updated to the On Track status, which is determined by the reading progress and the countdown. Move up, and we'll take a glimpse at the average reading rate for this book, as well as the total reading time. Now, you understand how to store your page markers and maintain your reading habit. Within the main dashboard, you'll find an overview of the page markers you've stored across your books. The page markers will be displayed randomly every minute. So, if you like view new cards at the moment, press the Refresh button to see them. Use this to jog your memory. Then, select the Random Mode button to display content in a random order again. To conclude, keep track of how many books are completed according to your yearly goals and the number of page markers you've saved. Next, check how much time you spend reading. Also, consider your reading rate average, which refers to how quickly you read. Monitor your current streak, count the consecutive days you've been reading. Additionally, check the completion rate for the past 7 days and take note of the date range for this streak. Your highest streak is also recorded, inspiring you not to break the chain. To conclude, don't forget to check your historic streak, along with the completion rate for all time, and the total completion count. Thank you for watching. I read your comments, stay curious, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.